Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we will see what's going on between your partner and you and what he is thinking right now. He or she, whatever is applied. At present, your person is completely guilty. I don't know for what, but whatever situation is going on in your partner's or person's life, that person is completely shattered and feeling guilty and whatever negative thoughts are going on, that all thoughts are coming in your person's mind at present. So many thoughts, just see. So many negative thoughts, thinking about so many negative thoughts, a person is feeling completely low in completely low energy at present. Maybe your partner, maybe you're not feeling well, and your partner must be taking care of himself, he or she, whoever she, as it applies. But your partner is thinking, is taking rest right now and praying in a prayers mode. I can see that because your partner is very emotional. Whatever happened in your partner's life, a person's life, a person is completely emotional, feeling so much guilty and so many negative thoughts, so much negative thinking, all this, and plus your partner not feeling well, so in prayer mode, all these things is making your partner completely down at present. Because of the third people surrounding your person, they are not, because of those people your person is not feeling well, because those people are discussing so much about your person. They are telling their person so many things. Because of that, the person's mind is completely jumbled up, and he or she is crying a lot, and your person is going through a major transformation. I think major transformation something is not good in your partner's life, that's for sure. And your person is traveling, also thinking of traveling right now. Your person wants to come out of all this situation and run away somewhere. He or she is thinking of running away from the situation at present because they are not feeling good at all. Yeah, your person will definitely come out of the situation right now, and your person is thinking something big at present. He wants to do something big in life, wants to achieve something big in life. He or she is thinking about you a lot at present. They are emotional at present very lot. They think you are a star kind of material. They think you as in a very high regards. Your person thinks about you in a very high regards, but every time he or she is discussing with someone, that person is not guiding your person rightly. That person whomsoever a person is discussing, that person is not guiding rightly. Or maybe you are thinking like that, ki my person is not thinking about me. You are in doubtful, every time you are in doubt only whether my person loves me or not, or whether he thinks in high regard, or whether how you think, keep doubting about yourself also, how I'm looking, this and that. So many questions are going in your mind also, but these are all doubts. These are only doubts and nothing else. This is the what feelings I am feeling of your partner. See, your partner is thinking of sending some message or something. Some message should come to you from your partner's side, something or the other, because your partner is thinking a lot right now about sending you message or conversing with you. He or she is thinking a lot about this, because in a person's mind there is marriage, four of stress, a long term commitment or something like this is going on in your person's mind completely. Because of that, the person is thinking of communicating with you, because marriage is definitely on this person's mind, definitely. Because see, just see how this person is thinking about marriage. A person is thinking about marriage, long term commitment, all these things, but the situation around is not supporting your person. See, a person wanted to come up towards you, but the Six of Cups has come in reverse. So I'm doubtful whether your person will come towards you at present, because they want to come but they are not able to come. That's a different thing. At present, a person is lonely and single. He or she is not with anyone, not with third party or not with any other person, because the person is single right now and lonely, because a person wants to feel peace. He very want to be in a peaceful situation. Because of that, the person is not coming towards him. Prince of Arrows is also coming in a reverse position. So maybe your partner is thinking of sending you a message, but he or she is not able to take action. You know, action. Your person is not able to take action because the energy of a person is very low. When the energy of a person is very low, that takes time the energy to change. Maybe it can change within 24 hours also, but at present because of this Mercury retrograde and so many conjunction of the planets, many people are feeling low. Because of that, your person is also feeling very low right now. Your person definitely thinks of coming towards you and sending you a bouquet or some flowers on the special day or waiting for, because the person is traveling right now at present. Maybe in the mind he or she must be traveling or thinking about how to send you, how to approach you, because he can see he or her door coming towards you only. Because of that, your person definitely thinks of communicating with you, but because of the situation right now at present is such that the person, that situation stops a person from moving towards you. But definitely something long term commitment and bouquet and all this thing is there going continuously in your person's mind, because this month is a month of love. So person start thinking about his love, the person he loves the most. So the person is thinking about you, but he or she doesn't know how to take action. That's the main problem of a person, how to take action. Yeah. Okay. Okay friends, hope you got some clarity what's going on in your person's mind right now. Maybe the energy will change into 1 or 2 days, then we'll see what's going on in your person's mind and heart. Thank you friends for watching.